Out of the billions of dollars in weapons the White House has shipped to Ukraine since the Russian invasion, perhaps none have attracted as much attention as the M142 HIMARS, an advanced rocket launcher that Ukrainian troops have used to devastating effect. HIMARS, short for High Mobility Artillery Rocket System, is a 5-ton truck that can fire long-range guided rockets. The Pentagon announced it was sending the first of 4 launchers to Kyiv, Ukraine, at the beginning of June, about 6 weeks after it started providing 155mm howitzers and ammunition. Since then, the United States has sent Kyiv a total of 126 such howitzers and authorized shipments of up to 807,000 rounds of ammunition for them to fire. Ukraine now has 26 advanced mobile launchers that can fire rockets even farther than those howitzers can, 16 HIMARS vehicles from the United States and 10 older American-made M270 launchers that Britain and Germany provided. On Thursday, General Mark A. Milley, the chairman of the Joint Chiefs of Staff, said that HIMARS strikes had hit more than 400 Russian targets, including command posts and ammunition depots. The launchers are only one part of that equation. The other equally important part is the munitions they fire, called a Guided Multiple Launch Rocket System, or GMLRS.